Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So, this past Sunday, me, my two daughters, and my two granddaughters got together over here and I had a Christmas tea party. We just had the best time, and I think I'm going to have to make it an annual event. So, I want to show you my table. I pulled my chairs back so you could see this gorgeous tablecloth of roses. It is just so pretty. They are all embroidered and it is just beautiful. So let me show you my place settings. So I saw a video that showed you how to fold your napkin into a Christmas tree. It is so easy, and I'll show a little video at the end so you know how to do it. So I have used these plates here. They have the roses on them. Show you the back. They're English Chippendale by Johnson Brothers, England. And I love these. I actually ordered these from eBay. I had found some dinner plates. I can't remember if it was Goodwill, but I did thrift them somewhere. And I love them so much that I ordered these little bowls and these cups and saucers from eBay. So the teacups are so pretty. They have the roses on the inside and the saucers. Aren't they pretty? Inside of each teacup, I placed a tea bag, and each is a different flavor. I let everybody pick out the flavor of their choice. This one is a peach brulee. They are so good. In fact, I bought the set of tea bags. Let me show you what the box looked like. I found them over at, where did I find them? Aren't they pretty? Tea Forte Warming Joy. And inside was a double layer. Let's see if I can get this open with my hand. Of all different flavors of teas. And I found these over at Home Goods. They were pricey. I think it was $30 for this box. But the tea is so good. So let me finish showing you my place settings here. So I've got the teacup off to the side with a little tea bag that's wrapped so cute. And then for my next plate, I used these that I also found at a thrift store. I don't know. I can't read where it's from. I think it says England on there. But it's also a rose, and I think it is gorgeous. Kind of looks like a crown there. But I thought it was so pretty. And then I have my dinner plate. The English Chippendale. On the side, I just placed a little fork. And then I have my, trying to stack these so I don't break them, my charger, my red charger. These I found over at Dollar General for $1. Couldn't believe it. They're nice and heavy. Really nice. And then my placemat is a red rose. And it's one of those plastic ones, but it's see-through. And so it really shows the pattern under it. Underneath I have this one, this placemat, which reminded me so much of the plates. But it's like opposite. Background's red, the roses are white. But I thought that was almost a perfect match. And I found these on Temu. So let me put this place setting back together. And with the roses, I don't know, I just thought it was really pretty to add a plaid Christmas napkin because the colors do match the tablecloth perfectly with the roses and the greens. And I thought, that is just gorgeous. So let me get this back together. We had so much fun that I'm definitely going to make this an annual event. And then for the stemware, I just used my mom's, I think they call this sandwich glass. And it is gorgeous, nice and heavy. My mom bought a set of 12. I think I have the little custard cups that go with this and the drinking glass as well. So that is my place setting. For the center of the table, I wanted to add some more Christmas. So I added these peppermint trees. Very simple centerpiece, which is just berries and pine. And I'll take you over and show you my buffet table. So let's go on over to my buffet table. Of course, I had made lots of goodies, cupcakes, brownies, all kinds of sweets, and we had, trying to think everything we had a lot of food, for sure. So this is just my silver-plated tray. These are the 2 teapots that I used because they have the roses on them. And then this is my Fostoria creamer and sugar bowl, a sugar bowl, and the creamer that I used. And this is one of my grandmother's crystal little plates. We use it during the holidays for cranberry sauce, but that is 100 years old. And then I displayed some of my cranberry glass. This was a recent find, and look at that. That is beautiful. And I bought that at a little antique store this year. Just love it. And then I do have some candles here, flameless candles. And we didn't have a lot of snacks left over, but I used my beautiful Fostoria crystal cake plate. That is something that I found on eBay. It's just absolutely beautiful. Then over here, I have my cranberry punch bowl. I found this at Goodwill. And then I thought it was so beautiful that I wanted the punch bowl glasses to go with that. And I ended up finding these on eBay. Whoa, but aren't they gorgeous? They're on little pedestals, and I think they are beautiful. So I was really fortunate to find these. And I think I got a set of 12. And over here, I just put another little vase with candy canes in it. And then I have some, it's a very deep red crystal. Another little view of my table here. It was just such a delight to spend a Sunday afternoon with my daughters and granddaughters. We had such a good time making memories, and that's what counts. Making memories with your family and your friends. So maybe when my granddaughters grow up, they will remember this and maybe start a holiday tradition with their families. I've got Sailor laying over there, falling fast asleep. So stay tuned and I'll show you a little video on how I folded the napkins to look like a Christmas tree. Super easy, takes a minute or less to do it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my napkin. It is a square napkin. I'm not sure the size. Could be 18 by 18, 20 by 20. And I'm just going to simply fold it in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half again. So it is just a square. Now the top here is where you folded it where it's closed all the way around pretty much. And I'm going to lay it down and I'm going to start bringing, there should be 4 layers and there are. I'm going to bring up the first layer and I'm going to leave it about a 1/2 inch space. So there's the first layer, do it to each one. Second layer, third layer, and the last layer. So your napkin is going to look like this. Okay, so you've got your napkin laid like that. You're going to just flip it over. Now from here is the tricky part, but it's easy. Take your napkin down here where it's straight edge, and you're going to kind of grab it in the middle. You're going to fold it up. You kind of want to fold it into a point, even with the very top. So I did that side, and now I'm going to fold this side up. So there's my napkin. Kind of looks like a diamond. So I'm going to flip it over. Just going to flip it upside down, and here's my napkin now. And this is what it looks like. See all the layers here? So you're going to take your first layer and you're going to pull it up, and I like to just leave it up. And that is the top of your tree right there. If you can see that. Yes, that is the top of your tree. I'm going to take the next layer and I'm just going to tuck it under that little fold there. I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. Tuck it under the fold. The next one, just tuck it right under the fold. And this last one, there's a couple layers, and you're going to do the same thing. Tuck it right under the fold. And there is your Christmas tree. And that's what it looks like. Super easy. All right, thanks for watching. But stay tuned. I'm going to show you some pictures. Here I am. I'm going to show you some pictures of our last Sunday's tea party with my daughters and my granddaughters. So hang on for that.